man, I need a haircut. Oh man, I need a haircut. You need a haircut. Nababo Kabalen, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to We're in Pampanga. Today, we're gonna be having a home service with the man himself, Mr. Enzo Nabong. Ayan o. So, nakilala ko si Mr. Enzo like, ilan na ba? 6 years? Ilan na? 6 years to 8 years. He's a seasoned and expert stylist. Tried and tested na siya. So, as you can see guys, I need a haircut. And Luis is, hi baby! Yan, so samahan niyo po kami today. We're gonna be having a haircut with Mr. Enzo Nabong. Let's go! Kausapin lang natin ng konti si Mr. Enzo Nabong before tayo mag-start sa ating haircut.
Yes, hello, good morning.
Yeah, so social distancing pa rin tayo dito. Anyway, so paano nag-start si Mr. Enzo Nabong?
Nag-start ako dito nung December 2010 sa Bench Fix Wondermart.
Okay. And then, ano yung story pagkatapos na?
Siguro, nag-work ako na almost 6 years. Tapos, then nakapag-establish ko ng client. Nag-start ako muna sa bahay.
Okay.
Then after 1 year, lumabas na ako along the highway para mas maka-accommodate ako ng mga client ko na mas maluwag yung parking.
Yes. Anong pangalan ng ano natin yan? Shop?
Yes, ito yung shop ko ngayon. Enzo Nabong.
Enzo Nabong
Salon. Yung main branch namin sa Clean Fuel Gasoline Station, Barangay San Isidro. Tabi ng Colegio de Sebastian College.
Yes, okay.
And then yung second branch namin sa V.Tiomico Street sa tapat ng SM Downtown.
SM Downtown.
Tabi ng Orchids.
As of now, nag-home service tayo.
Nag-home service ako.
Okay.
Sa safety ng client.
Exactly. So sa home service natin, ano yung usually ginagawa natin?
Meron tayo haircut. Siyempre, usually haircut. And then, mga hair medium services like hair coloring, balayage, highlights, root retouch, keratin, treatment, lahat na.
So halos talaga ginagawa sa shop natin. Mobile na home service.
Parang mobile salon na tayo. Oo.
There you go. Okay, so actually guys, sabi ko nga sa inyo kanina, yan, I need a haircut. So, umpisahan na natin, sir.
Oh yes, start na tayo.
Let's go! Few minutes later, as in mukhang tao na naman ako. Tingnan mo naman yan. Grabe. What a satisfying home service from Mr. Enzo Nabong. So pagkatapos ko guys, ito naman. Hi baby, your turn? Yeah. Okay, you sit here.
Sanay na siya, no?
Sit here. There you go. Okay?
Okay.
Dito ka na.